Hey everyone, so interrupt this amazing video to let you guys know that I create a series in which I will be doing unboxings for Black owned businesses and Black owned brands for free. Okay, there's no charge, there's no nothing. All you have to do is sign up in the link below and send me product to the address that's listed, and you will be featured on my channel for free. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this is because I realize that there are so many Black owned businesses, great businesses, that many people just do not know about. And if I can use my platform to help bring light to your business, and in turn you get some additional customers, I would love to do so. Okay, so I will be doing these unboxings probably once a month. It will be a compilation of the items that I received for that month. So if you are interested, be sure to sign up below, send me some products so that your brand can be featured on my channel. Back to the video.